laughing rainbow and the adventure in the colorful world. Once upon a time, there lived a cute rainbow named Rosie in the colorful village. Rosie not only spread her colors like other rainbows but also taught fun things to children. One day, Rosie went up to the sky to gather colorful clouds. However, the clouds got mixed up, and Rosie fell to the ground, losing her colors. Now Rosie was only black and white. Rosie started exploring the colorful village and met every color. Red taught love, blue represented friendship, yellow brought joy, and green talked about loving nature. As Rosie met each color, she regained her colors. On her journey, Rosie encountered colorful characters. A colorful rabbit taught fun songs, while colorful birds entertained with math games. Rosie and her colorful friends embarked on adventures filled with fun activities while teaching children about colors. In the end, Rosie completely regained her colors, and the colorful village became even more cheerful and fun. The rainbow continued to color the colorful village, ensuring everyone had fun and learned. With her colors fully restored, Rosie, the laughing rainbow, decided to organize a special celebration in the colorful village. She invited all her colorful friends, including the red rabbit, the blue birds, the yellow sunflower, and the green frog, to join the festivities. The celebration was filled with laughter, music, and dance. Each color brought something unique to the event. The red rabbit performed a lively dance, the blue birds sang delightful tunes, the yellow sunflower shared its warmth, and the green frog added a touch of nature's melody. As the joyous celebration continued, Rosie had an idea. She gathered all the colors and suggested, why not create a magical rainbow bridge that leads us to a new adventure? Excitement filled the air as everyone agreed to embark on a journey beyond the colorful village. The rainbow bridge appeared, stretching across the sky and forming a dazzling path. Rosie and her friends, hand in hand, stepped onto the bridge, ready for a new adventure. The vibrant colors of the rainbow illuminated their path as they entered the unknown. Their journey took them through enchanted forests, where trees sparkled in various shades. They encountered friendly creatures who joined their colorful caravan. The group crossed bubbling streams of blue, climbed mountains adorned with flowers of every hue, and sailed on rivers reflecting the golden glow of the yellow sun. In each new place, Rosie and her friends discovered more about the world of colors and the importance of harmony. They shared their knowledge with the creatures they met, leaving behind a trail of happiness and understanding. As their adventure continued, Rosie realized that the magic of the rainbow wasn't just about colors, it was about the beauty of diversity and unity. Each color, though unique, contributed to the overall brilliance of the rainbow. The laughter echoed through the colorful landscapes, leaving a positive impact on every being they encountered. The laughing rainbow and her friends became ambassadors of joy, spreading happiness wherever they went. And so, the magical journey of the laughing rainbow and her colorful companions continued, painting smiles across the world and teaching the invaluable lessons of unity, diversity, and the beauty found in every color of life. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Goodbye.